Hi guys, and welcome back to another video on the Detailing Detectives YouTube channel, and this is part 3 of how to build a detailing van. So just to recap on the last two videos, just so we know where we're up to. So the first video was basically just introducing the van and yeah, why we got a new van, and yeah, just basically showing you around the van and telling you what we're going to do. Second video was cleaning the back out. So far in the back we've steamed it all so it's fully clean, and we've insulated it, so over the winter times nothing's going to freeze in there, and yeah, it's just going to stop sort of a bit warmer than it would without the insulation. So now in this video what we're going to do, we're going to concentrate on the cab area, and then once we've done this, we're taking the van to House of Mada, and Adam over there is going to wire the lights in for the roof, and then he's going to carpet the roof as well. So yeah, this video again, like I keep saying, is going to be time-lapsed. So just in the cab, so what we're going to do, we're going to wet vac the seats. They're not too dirty, but we just want to start fresh and make sure that they're all clean, ready for the years ahead. And then, so wet vac the seats, steam the headline in. Like I say, it's not that bad. I will show you in a second, and we'll steam all the dash as well to get rid of any sort of spray, dashboard spray that anyone's put over on it in the last years. And then we'll clean the floor as well. The floor's all plastic, so that should come up nicely. And then yeah, the door cards and stuff like that. So that's what we're going to do in the cab. We'll make sure the windscreen's nice and clean as well, and the windows. And then after we've spent maybe a good few hours on this, yeah, we'll be heading over to House of Mada, so he can do the roof in the back. So yeah, let's get on with it. I'll start the time lapse now, and then yeah, we'll see how dirty these seats are. What I'll do is I will try and sort of get some close-ups of the seats, because the wet vac does sort of show how dirty they are, because it'll pull all the dirt out of that. So let's start the time lapse now. Okay, so now that the cabs are all clean, we've steamed it and we've wet vac the seats. Yeah, so it's all nice and clean and fresh now, and ready for the years ahead, really. So what I'll do with the steamer and the wet vac, I'll put all the links below for anything I've used throughout these videos, just in case you want to try them yourselves. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the flooring back in the rear of the van, on one of the panels, and then yeah, we'll go to Adam's at House of Mada. Okay, so for that video, yeah, this video has come to an end. So in this video, we've cleaned the front cab, so we've steamed it and wet vacked it, and then we went over to House of Mada, and yeah, you've just seen the time lapse of carpeting the roof and running the cables for the lights once we've fitted everything in. So again, I'll put all the links below for all the products and the companies that we've used. So yeah, go check them out if you're interested. And then next week, what we'll be doing, we'll be kitting out the van, starting with the back sort of like partition wall, and then yeah, building some shelves and going from there. So I do hope you're enjoying these sort of like, well, this series. If you are, leave us a comment and a like, and make sure you subscribe. And yeah, we'll see you next week for, well, when the van build continues.
Alright folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to YouTube and add us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Ta-ra!